Hello everyone, welcome back to RM English. English with kids. First sentence, rotate your wrist. Kalai ghumao. Rotate your wrist. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. हाथ जोड़ो. Which one? कौन सा वाला? Which one? Can I take all? Can I take all? क्या मैं सारे ले लूं? Don't talk to me. मुझसे बात मत करो. Don't talk to me. Wiggle your fingers. अपनी उंगलियां हिलाओ. Wiggle your fingers. This one or that one? ये वाला या वो वाला? This one or that one? Wave goodbye. Bye bye करो. Wave goodbye. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button. How to open this? How to open this? इसे कैसे खोलूं? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. ताली बजाओ. Pull them apart. खींच कर अलग करो. Pull them apart. Form a fist. मुट्ठी बनाओ. Form a fist. Snap your fingers. चुटकी बजाओ. Snap your fingers. Dip this in the milk and eat. दूध में डुबोकर इसे खाओ. Anyone will do. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Anyone will do. Crack your knuckles. अपनी उंगलियां चटकाओ. Crack your knuckles. Cross your fingers. अपनी उंगलियां क्रॉस करो. टेंशन में जब हम फिंगर्स को क्रॉस करते हैं. Cross your fingers. Who do you take after? आप किस पे गए हैं? What to do with this? इसका क्या करना है? What to do with this? I take after my father. मैं अपने अब्बू पर गया हूँ. I take after my father. I am in a bad mood. मेरा मूड ख़राब है. I am in a bad mood. My sleep was disturbed. मेरी नींद ख़राब हो गई. My sleep was disturbed. You disturbed my sleep. You disturbed my sleep. तुमने मेरी नींद ख़राब की. Curl your fingers. उंगलियां मोड़ो. Curl your fingers. उंगलियां मोड़ो. Are you up? उठ गए हो. Are you up? Sit straight. सीधे होकर बैठो. Speak louder. जोर से बोलो. Don't walk barefooted. Don't walk barefooted. नंगे पाँव मत चलो. Such is life. जिंदगी ऐसे ही है. Such is life. Mark my words. मेरी बात लिख लो. Mark my words. Unlatch the door. दरवाजे की कुंडी खोल दो. Unlatch the door. I'll do it later. ये मैं बाद में कर दूँगा. I'll do it later. Sit down. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Form a fist. मुट्ठी बनाओ. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Go there. वहाँ जाओ. go there. Come back, वापस आओ. Come back. Go back, वापस जाओ. Go back. Don't put off, टालो मत. Don't put off. Sharpen your pencil, अपनी पेंसिल छील लो. Sharpen your pencil. All right, read silently. ठीक है, दिल में पढ़ो. All right, read silently. Sit up, उठकर बैठो. लेटे होते हैं तो उठ के बैठने को कहते हैं sit up. Sit cross-legged, पालती मार कर बैठो. Sit cross-legged. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.